y'all, it is breakfast time, so wakey wakey. Actually, it's brunch time. I missed breakfast. But I wanted to show you the Cuisinart griddler and its waffle plates. These are extra, but well worth it. These didn't come with the original set. I got these as an accessory. So there's 4 waffles here. They're pretty deep. And then there's a little tool that helps you pick up the waffles. So I've got these. I'm gonna turn this on. I believe it's 350. So today, I'm gonna use this griddle function, and I already have it on 350. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna heat that up while we make our mix. Here's our waffle mix. So I just have 2 cups of Pioneer baking mix. Super easy because you don't have to do all the baking powder and baking soda and all that. Super easy. 1.5 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar because it needs to be super good, and 2 eggs. So really simple. I'm gonna stir it in this silicone bowl so that when I'm ready to pour it, it's just easier to pour. Okay, so first I want to mix in my sugar in there into your dry ingredients. Ooh, smoking today. And then I'm gonna mix in my milk and my 2 eggs. Okay, y'all, we got the green light here. It needs to be at the consistent temperature, so it's at 350. I'm gonna spray our griddle. Even though it's non-stick, it's nice to spray it. And I'm gonna pour in enough to fill each well. Ooh, and it's hot. And if you go overboard, don't worry, there is a little rim around here that would catch it. So we're just gonna close it and let that cook for a few minutes. And then I'll show you what we got.
Did you know Cajun Cooking TV has a cookbook called Cajun Cooking Made Easy? Purchase today to enjoy our full recipes, instructions, links on how-to videos, and much, much more.
I think our first batch is ready. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put some butter on those, but let's get some more to grilling. Okay, I'm gonna cut these and put some butter on them while they're super hot. Okay, y'all, so we got 8 waffles. I've got a little bit more batter, so I'm gonna get those going. And then we need to feed Mike Stokes in here. Okay, y'all, it has been great showing y'all the Cuisinart griddler. And I hope you'll check out the link below in the description to our Amazon store. I have it linked in there, and also the waffle plates. So if you're interested in that and want more information, you can look at the full description, its specifications and all that. Here's my tip of the day. To store the waffle plates, because I use those the least, I have these 2 purple rubber bands that come on broccoli crowns. And they fit exactly where you stretch them out, and they fit and hold the 2 plates together. Otherwise, they're just always falling down in the cabinet. So this has helped to hold them together. So that's my tip of the day. So be sure to check out our next video. It's going to be right here for you, and also a playlist of some of our favorite videos. And we'll see you next time.
It's a wrap.